Hi, I'm Alicia Stobie, your Mortgage Millions mentor. And what I want to talk with you today about is communicating with referral partners. I often hear that this is a big pain point from loan officers. They don't know what to say, when, they don't know how often to follow up. And when they do follow up, again, they don't know what to say. So we're going to talk about this today. Communicating with your referral partners, how to communicate with your referral partners. When they commit to sending you referrals, how do you stay top of mind and make sure that they actually send them? I even get this concern from loan officers who have been in the business a long time, right? They'll go out, they'll have a great meeting, right? That in itself is a huge success. It's a huge win-win, right? You've gone out, you've met with a new realtor or homeowners insurance agent or financial planner or CPA. You go out, you have these great appointments, and then everything sounds good. You actually have success, right? That in itself takes many steps to achieve. So you have this great appointment, and then crickets, nothing. And as the loan officer, you're sitting there going, what happened? We had a great meeting, right? I know this has happened to you with realtors time and time again. Maybe even with clients, right? All of a sudden they ghost you. You don't know why, right? Could have been something you did, but most likely it actually isn't. It's probably not something you did to offend them, right? It's probably something you didn't do, actually. And I'm going to tell you what to do so that doesn't happen to you again. So first of all, when you have a referral partner that commits to sending you referrals, how do you stay top of mind and make sure that they actually send them? So first of all, you need to stay organized, right? I mean, again, this is like, you don't know what to say when or how to follow up. So first of all, it sounds simple, but go ahead and put the contact in your database before you leave the meeting. When you take these steps at the meeting, this helps you ensure progress moving forward instead of just a wild card, right? And we always want progress moving forward because this is how we get more deals in the pipeline that actually close. Okay, so again, I'll just give you this example. I was talking to one of my executive club coaching clients, had a great meeting and then hasn't heard anything, right? And so I said, what did you do? You know, they went and they had this great meeting. They found out they had great rapport, great synergy, lots of clients they could refer to each other, and they committed to do business moving forward, which again, great step. Got the appointment, had a phenomenal appointment, had a great rapport, building a great relationship. But then what? Nothing. Right? I know you've been there. I know you're like, what? Again, because we get these questions all the time. So one, stay organized, put that contact in your database. If you have the Mortgage Marketing Master app, even better. If you don't, click on the link below. It's $1 for 30 days. We also have a free version. You can give it a test drive for $1, see if you like it. Put the contact in your referral database. Label them appropriately for what it means to you, right? Was that a realtor, for example? Is it a rookie realtor? Is it a seasoned realtor? Is it a buyer's agent? Is he or she a listing agent? Do they do both? Do they have a team? Are they a solo operator, right? Put these details either in the way you label them or in the notes section in your contacts, right? You definitely want to get their cell phone. Office is helpful and email is great, but definitely cell phone for sure. Also, just let me take a step back. Before you go on any of these appointments, when you set the appointment, between that time and when you go on the appointment, Google them so you can find out about them, right? Look at their website. How much do they close? Do they have any awards? How long have they been in the business? All that great stuff. Okay. That's all good. You guys got that down. Number two, to effectively communicating with referral partners. The number two key, knowing how frequently to communicate them. This needs to be established at the time of your appointment. What expectations are you setting? Mutually, you guys both have to agree on what you're going to do moving forward. Okay, so say a realtor says they want to work with you. Great. How often do you take out buyers? Let's just say a buyer's agent, right? How often do you take out buyers? And how often can I follow up with you? What are your expectations when we first, in getting the client pre-approved? And then what are your expectations moving forward during the loan process or during the shopping process while they're, trying to get their offer accepted? All right. You're going to ask them permission and let them tell you. And then you're going to do what they say. Respectfully and honorably. Okay. What if they actually say, oh no, I'll call you. Time out. You got to back up. That's a whole nother issue in the appointment that you didn't uncover. They have some hidden objection. Okay. Separate issue. But otherwise, if it's a mutual love, right? And everybody's going for the win-win, they're going to tell you what they expect. If I have a referral for you, I expect you to call them within whatever, 1 hour, 8 hours. I expect you to have them approved, pre-approved within 24 hours, 48 hours, right? These are discussions you can have. So you all are on, both of you guys are on the same page moving forward. Okay. Super important. What's that going to look like, right? For those key pieces. One, when I have a new lead to give you, right? A client for you. Two, how fast for pre-approval. And then three, what's the communication process like while they're shopping for a home? And then four, when they're under contract, right? You have to ask all this. This shows that you sincerely, genuinely want to serve and you want a true partnership with them. You're not just there to close a deal, get a deal, right? We know that that's not the way you build long-term relationships. It's very important that these are all mutual win-wins, okay? Before I had the Mortgage Marketing Master app, I would use Outlook and then make the notes in there, which is fine, but it's really hard actually to look at all those details on my phone. And ever since I got the Mortgage Marketing Master app, that's why I spent so much time and energy and attention to detail working on this for you, because it saves you so much time and it helps you track everything. All right. Such a time saver. And could you use a little extra time in your day? Most of us can. That's why I had this app developed, right? So you can do it all on the phone, helps save a ton of time, and it helps eliminate also what to say when you're trying to follow up. Again, I'll put that link in the description below. So, okay. Number 3 on how to communicate with your referral partners. Be intentional. This is so important. Be intentional in a genuine serving way, right? So if I'm reaching out to follow up, we've already set expectations. When I say be intentional, I'm not just calling. Yes, definitely call your referral partners to chit chat and catch up with them and find out how they're doing, make a genuine connection, continue to build that genuine connection, and be intentional, right? I'll give you a business and a personal example, right? For personal, when I catch up with some people I haven't talked with in a while, I'm going to ask them how their family is. And I'm going to ask detailed questions, right? Not just like, what's up? How was Johnny's soccer game the other week? Did they get to play? Oh, that's great. Oh, they even got to score. Fantastic, right? So you want to ask these questions, and yes, you can take notes. This is important. This is how you get to know your people. On a professional level, it would sound something like, oh, hey, how was your weekend? You took out some buyers. That's fantastic. Were they the buyers that I pre-approved last week, or is there somebody new I can help you with? Fantastic. I remember that you said your goal was to close 3 buyer side transactions every month. We have one under contract together. What's it looking like for the other 2 deals? Would this be one of them? Is there somebody I can look? Have you looked at my LinkedIn database? Is there somebody that I can introduce you to? I remember you said you wanted an introduction to a new bankruptcy attorney. I can probably set that up for you this week. Can we go to lunch? What days are you free? Be intentional. Do you see the huge difference? Hey, you got a deal for me? My conversations don't sound like that. I am always trying to add value and build and grow a genuine partnership with my referral partners. Number 3, be intentional. Okay, number 4, sending relevant information on a consistent basis. All right, so I'll give you an example of something that totally kind of made me crazy. One of the things I love about the app is it's just the right recipe of automation and authenticity. There, let me give you the exact opposite I got. I went in to have my BMW. So I got a text that the part was in for my BMW to be serviced. Meanwhile, I had already been in 2 weeks before, and as far as I knew, everything was good. But you know, they have those sensors in the cars now. They can actually remote in. They can tell you when something's going on with your car. It sends a signal, la la la, all that high tech stuff. So I thought, okay, maybe something else is wrong with my car, right? I don't want to, I don't want to be driving or traveling out of town, and then all of a sudden something major that I could have taken care of. So I texted them back. And I said, okay, great. I'm free next Friday at 8:30 to schedule the appointment. Can you tell me what the part is? And they messaged back, you know, like 3 hours later. Oh, your service tech will be in touch. Meanwhile, it says I'm messaging my service tech. Okay. Not the right blend of automation and authenticity. Right? Because so now I'm like annoying, right? So I said, I thought this is my service tech. Can you please tell me or have somebody call me? Right? They reached out to me. And keep in mind, you are reaching out to these clients, right? So they reached out to me and I said, okay, I thought I was messaging my service tech. Can you please tell me, can you confirm this time for my appointment? Yes or no? And tell me what the part is you say I need to have installed, fixed, whatever, repaired. So they message back again. They're like, oh, we're not sure they're at that time. So again, what did I say? Yes or no? These are texts. They're black and white, very direct, right? And I said, either tell me, and they said, we're still not sure about the part. And I said, either tell me what the part is or unsubscribe me from all messages and I will go to another dealer. There's actually 2 dealers in my town. Now I like to go to the closest one. And when I am communicating with my service officer, Richard, he is amazing, but clearly they have a problem with their tech, right? So I said, tell me or unsubscribe me and I'm going to go to another dealership. Now you're just wasting my time. Oh, and the other thing is I was actually out on vacation. So they were actually getting my autoresponders on vacation, which I should have just never responded. That's my fault. But I thought, oh, if I could line this up when I come back, bing, bang, everything's all great, right? Another task off my to-do list. Yeah, so as soon as I said that, tell me exactly what the service is that you're telling me I need to have done, or I'm going to go somewhere else and I'm going to block you, right? Didn't even say bad review. I just said, stop wasting my time. We're all busy, right? I'm paying you. Come on. Anyway, so as soon as I did that, they're like, oh, there was an error. There's no service or part to be done. Thank you. Meanwhile, it's kind of what I suspected. But why make me go through all that hassle? Why make me jump through all that hoops? You want to piss off your referral partners? Go ahead and do that. Send them a bunch of automated junk that's not relevant to them, that doesn't add value, yeah, you can take a great relationship, do that to it, and you'll put it right down the drain. So definitely don't do that. So number 4 tip in communicating successfully with referral partners is sending relevant information on a consistent basis. What does that look like? How about an economic update? Right? That could encompass everything from interest rates, what's happening now, what's predicted in the future, what's already happened since the beginning of the year. Right? That could also be what's expected in the real estate market. Right? This could be for realtors or financial planners or CPAs or clients. If you have customers that are repeat clients, maybe thinking about moving up, upsizing, downsizing, or investors, do you think they would appreciate some information on what's happening in the economy and the real estate market right now, interest rates? Absolutely. What about it for your realtors? There was some relevant information about how to grow their buyer side of their business, or how to grow their listing side of their business, or how to build a team if they don't already have one. All right. This is really important stuff. So again, if this was helpful, please smash up that like button for me. Share this with another loan officer or branch manager who you think would benefit from watching this video. And again, give me that like. If you have any questions and comments, I would love to answer them. Just put them below. I'm Alicia Stobie, your Mortgage Millions mentor. Cheers to your success.